The Google data center plan for Monroe County is raising new questions not just about the project, but digital privacy laws. This comes after county commissioners rejected a non-disclosure agreement Google wanted them to sign. As 41 NBC's Gina Tripp reports, one resident says the decision shows how unprotected you are when it comes to your data.
Google has already purchased land here in Monroe County for a future data center, but when the company approached county leaders to sign an NDA, commissioners voted no. Now, one Forsyth native says this brings up a much bigger problem: Georgia's lack for digital privacy laws. On Tuesday, Monroe County commissioners denied Google's request for an NDA, a document the company wanted ahead of its proposed data center. County Attorney Ben Vaughn told officials Georgia's Open Records Act would override any NDA.
The Georgia Open Records Act supersedes any non-disclosure the county commissioners could enter into. So anything that gets open records requested to us that's allowable under the law, we would have to provide no matter what we told Google.
Forsyth native Stephanie Deaton watched the vote closely. She's a cybersecurity student who says the NDA request shows how little protection Georgia gives residents when it comes to digital privacy.
Georgia basically has zero privacy laws protecting us in the digital realm.
Deaton has drafted the Identity Data Autonomy Act, a proposal she said would let Georgians control what information companies collect and sell. That draft is now under informal review by digital governance expert Professor Karen Jung and the Electronic Frontier Foundation.
The whole point of this bill that I'm trying to get passed and the constitutional amendment for Georgia is to give us the right to consent, basic human dignity. We should be able to consent and take away the consent anytime we want to protect what companies collect and sell about us.
Deaton says the Google NDA debate shows why Georgia needs updated protections as more tech companies move into rural communities. In Monroe County, Gina Tripp, 41 NBC News.
Monroe County leaders say all records connected to the data center proposal must remain public under state law. We reached out to Google for comment, but we've not received a response.